Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report a Shopify store. So basically, watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we will need just to go to the help center of Shopify so we can report a store. So you can just type this in Google so you can go directly to the report menu or the report page of Shopify. So here you can report any issues with any store. So what we are interested in is to report merchant and we click on it. And basically you will need just to choose the specific item or the specific report issue that is goes well with your case. So for example, let's just go to issue with any order. For example, it will be some payments problem or anything. And if you have, for example, some copyright infringement, you can choose this ticket. So here I'm just going to choose this one. And from here, you will be needing to fill in your information. So here you will need just to add your legal first name, last name, email, and this is the important part is to add the order confirmation. And as you can see, make sure it is like this. So it will be the shopify.com, and here you will find, for example, uh, the order number, and this may be the account or the order account. I mean the account ID, etc. So from here, you will need to add as much detail as possible so you can be able to have a clear response from the support. And here you can just add anything that is suitable to your case. So if you have received your order, you will need just to click on yes, and if not, click on no. And here you can add some declaration that you have attempted to contact the seller before reporting the order. Otherwise, you can acknowledge that a copy of this message, including any contact information provided above, will be forwarded to the related merchant. After that, you will add your signature and you click submit, and your ticket will be submitted to Shopify and they will contact you as soon as possible. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.